Welcome to Njenje Media Channel. This is a channel where we explore the truth behind the headlines. This is a breaking news. Miyetti Ala storms Lagos State House of Assembly, demands to be included in the operation of Amotekun. Nothing where Musa no go see for gate. Members of the Miyetti Ala Cattle Breeders Association, today being the 25th of February 2020, stormed the Lagos State House of Assembly and demanded to be included in the Southwest Security Initiative, codenamed Operation Amotekun. Someone will now want to ask, when the North did Operation Hishba, was Igbos, Yorubas, Efik, Ijaws, Ibibios included in this initiative? Why would they want to always poke nose and put their nose in things that does not concern them? If you people will remember, when the Igbos talked about doing forest vigilantes, they asked the Enugu state government to also include them in the vigilante services in Enugu. The Yorubas have decided to do an Amotekun. Amotekun is the business of the Yorubas to secure the lives and properties of Yorubas and the people living in the Yoruba land. What business does the Hausa, Fulani, and the Miyetti Ala Breeders Association have in the issues concerning Amotekun in Yoruba land? The Igbos are not asking to be included because they know the Yorubas have to do what they got to do to protect themselves. The Efiks, the Ijaws are not asking. Yet, these are people that live in the Yoruba nation. What arrant nonsense is this? It will be recalled that over the weekend, Miyetti Ala had already expressed readiness to mobilize its members across southern western states to attend the public hearing scheduled to hold simultaneously at the different houses of assemblies across the member states. There was uproar, however, during the hearing when a representative of Sarakin Hausa community in Ala-Igbo Mosho area of Lagos State, Ibrahim Abubakar, demanded the inclusion of Hausa community in the Amotekun Corps. Again, nothing Musa no go see for gate. What type of intrusion is this? We at Njenje Media must ask. The members of the Miyetti Ala group disagreed with the aspects of proposed security bill and comments arising from the hearing, saying deliberations were tilted towards malicious intent that could result in ethnic disagreement moving forward. What sort of ethnic disagreement Njenje Media would ask? If they say no cattle should graze openly, please, if you don't want your cattle to graze openly, you go into ranching. If they say the movement of cattle is to be done by trucks, that is the way it is done in sane and where people are reasoning. The Speaker of the Lagos State House of Assembly, Right Honorable Mushadiru Obasa, had earlier opened the floor with a keynote address stressing the need for the establishment of Amotekun in the state. The Speaker said that kidnapping and all other forms of criminal ties gave rise to the convergence of the Southwest governors to find a common ground and a solution to the menace. Hence the emergence of Amotekun. Amotekun is nothing but a child of necessity. Nothing that the Neighborhood Watch Safety Corps has gone through some amendments beginning in 2015, and in light of this, the 2019 for deliberation in the incorporation of Amotekun concept in the Neighborhood Safety Corps, which is the state local government platform. When it was time for the public participation, diverse views took center stage. Of course, in a democracy, diverse views must be had. Even the views of the minorities must be taken into account, but not views that give you the impetus as if you must lord it over others all the time. And that is what we at Njenje Media does not like. A section of this country has no monopoly to lord it over others at every given time. Why would the Fulanis go in Yoruba land and demand that they must be included in the Amotekun? That is a provocation gone too far. Once more, this is Njenje Media Channel. Subscribe.